The first form of the Vlookup function allows us to look up an exact value. In this table we have a list of results for particular course codes and each student, but we don't have the course name for each course code listed. We can actually then look up what the course name is from a table, either the full course name or course abbreviations, and move that in. So in the cell we start the Vlookup function as usual with the equal sign. The first parameter is what we're going to look up. We're looking up the course code. We follow that with a comma. Then we go to the table that we're looking up. The value that we're looking up will always be in the first column of the table. In this case it's the course code. We highlight the table. We then convert the reference for the table to an absolute reference, either using Command T on a Mac or F4 on a Windows machine. The third parameter is the column index number. If we're looking up the full course name, then that will be in column 2. The first column contains the course code, the second column the course name, the third column the course abbreviation. So we want column 2 in the first instance. And finally, because we're looking up an exact value, we need to ensure that we put in the parameter false. In the second form, which we'll look at shortly, this value can be left out or have the value true. And we click enter, and you can see that the course code of 12 has correctly filled in the value of accounting. Now we can copy these formulas down in the table very easily, and the correct value is put in for each of the courses. You'll notice that we have here one course code 16 which doesn't appear in our original table. This shows up as a #NA to indicate that we can't find a value for it. Now if we were only after a course abbreviation, when we do the lookup everything would be the same, except that we would use column 3 for our value, and instead of getting the full name for the course we would end up with just the abbreviation.